What's going on YouTube? It's been a while. Today I'm gonna be replacing my fuel pump. Yeah, this fuel pump has never been replaced. I am noticing a lack of power when I accelerate. Yeah, it's not the same when I first got the car. Like, it was moving quick, and now like it's slowed down. And it's been a while. I had this car for like going 3.5 years now, and the fuel pump never have been replaced. Yeah, but I'm not dropping the tank or anything. I already cut out the hole where the fuel pump is at. I mean, I didn't use no machine, none of that stuff. I just use a chisel and a hammer, a metal chisel, not just any chisel. Alright, so we're here at Advanced Auto Parts. I'm going to collect the fuel pump and head home and replace it. Yeah, the next thing I want to do on this car, I want to clean out my injectors. Yeah, but I'm not going to make a video on that. It's going to be I'm going to have my hand full and stuff. So, because fuel injectors are very, very pricey. So here's the fuel pump. It's a Delphi. They're pretty good. It's the whole assembly. I'll show you guys how I cut out the back. Yep, that's how I cut it out with a chisel. First thing, get the metal chisel and a hammer and lay it straight. Don't hit it too hard, just gently hammer it down until you get a gap. You slightly lean the chisel towards the left or whichever way you're comfortable with, and just slightly hit the hammer, and the chisel is just gonna cut through. And it was pretty easy. It was cut like butter, so it's not very hard. You don't have to use no machine or anything with the sparks or anything like that. So that's it. And just I'm gonna go head home and remove the ring, unplug the battery, disconnect the battery, and then unplug this setting and everything. That's it. The hard part is already done, so that's all. And be careful when you're dealing with this, because it is sharp metal. So when you finish, make sure you file it down, smoothing out the area. I got the door, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna put on the door, because I'm gonna be making my own delete kit for the back here. I'm not paying $300 some for a delete kit. Yeah, you guys can see over here, I removed this panel here. It's pretty easy to remove. Just gently pry it in front here, and just pull up, and it just pops out the clips. Be gentle. Then you put your shifter in neutral or in drive. Make sure you got your handbrake on, and just gently pull it out, and that's it. Yeah, right. Yeah, right now my wife is spray painting it. Yeah, I think she already finished spray painting it, so I'm gonna go ahead and install that. Like, it had a lot of scratches and stuff on it. It's nothing fancy. It's just I just put the same color back on it, gray, but it'll come out neat. Yeah, it's just to make it look neat, nothing fancy. And the next thing she did for me, she wrapped this in suede. Came out pretty nice. I like it. It's pretty cool. Yeah, that's why she my wifey. I'm gonna show you guys the armrest when I park. Show you guys how it looks like, and it's pretty easy to take off the armrest and do whatever you want with it. Wrap it, do whatever you want. I'm gonna show you guys when I park right here. It's pretty simple. So this is the armrest. You can see, you can still see the line and everything. Suede. Subscribe. I'll show you guys how to remove this. You can see it's Phillips screws. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 Phillips screws. So the screwdriver, just take it off, and this comes off. And gently pry this out, and it'll come off. And that's that. Alright, so I already got the ring out. It's just a hammer, flathead screwdriver, and you just lay the flathead right here, and you just hammer, tap it. It's gonna be a little tough, but just give it a couple of knocks, tap it out, it'll come out loose. And I already unplug every connection. Just do one here, this right here. Just press here, pull it out. This one was, this one you gotta be careful with. You don't want to break this clip. Just push here. You just push these blue tips right here. There's one here and one on the other side. And then you pull right here and you pull it off. That's how this comes off. And yep. And there's gonna be a little gas leaking. I mean, you unplug this one, so always have a rag with you. This is out. Take it off. So you just wiggle it out, and the fuel pump's ready to come out. That's all to it. The black hose, you're gonna unplug that. Alright, so the fuel pump is out, so make sure nothing goes in here. You'll take off this old ring, replace it with a new ring. When you do this, make sure you have all your windows open, because it's gonna be a lot of gas smell in here. And make sure your garage open, and make sure you do this on a almost empty tank. So if your tank is full, all layers will be full with fuel. Alright, so you're gonna put in your new pump. You're gonna plug in your new line. Plug in your line. tighten the lock ring, and you replace your new O-ring and everything. Alright, it's already in, everything good. Just gonna take out this yellow plug, plug this in. Okay, plug this in, flip. This electrical connector. Alright, so that's it. It's pretty quick. So now I'm gonna connect the battery and turn on the car, pump some gas. It's a new fuel pump, and let the gas just flow through, and then give a couple of pumps and then start it up and go for a drive. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Peace.